Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a professional PowerPoint presentation slides from your laptop to submit for your school or college project. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open a Word application. So this application has a content as well as a picture. So I want to make a beautiful professional PowerPoint presentation, use this Word application. So how to make a beautiful professional presentation? So you have to show the beautiful and corporate level of presentation to your students or your teachers or your college mates. Let's see how to do that. Just browse Google, just type PowerPoint templates. Once you type PowerPoint templates, there will be different kind of ads will be displayed over here. So here I will suggest Slides Carnival. It has a free PowerPoint templates. So this is a huge and best PowerPoint template you can download as a Google Slides or you can use as a PowerPoint slides. So you can use different kind of slides. This is all freeware and from the Slides Carnival free template option. So I have given the description link. Use the link, you can direct to the link and make a PowerPoint presentation with the professional way. So you can choose according to your need. So my content is a different contents or top 10 Indian recipes, that is Indian kitchen recipes kind of content I has. So I has the image, I has the content, everything I has. So I want to make a professional way of presentation. So I have searched the presentation model. So which models you like, you can choose according to your need. For example, if I choose this kind of vintage mood board slides, means I can choose a slide and I can just select. So this is a slide model. If you want to choose next slide, means you can select, yes, this kind of format your presentation will display. So this is a professional way of slides, background, everything will be displayed over here. Mine is like a kitchen related, that is cooking related. So I can search from the tab bar. If my first tab doesn't have that kind of model, you have plenty of options is available, just choose. So I can choose a different type of models. For example, blackboard related you want to choose and you want to teach from your students level, you can choose according to your needs. Yes, so real food presentation template is available. It is free for me. So it is PowerPoint template also and Google templates also available. I just select this option. So this is my presentation model. So this is a front page and I can choose and I can select and I can get a different kind of model. So these are the slides models which is given from the Slide Carnival. It's a free template. So you can download this one. So you want to download as a PowerPoint template or Google Slides theme. So you can choose according to your need. I just want to download as a PowerPoint template. Just click download. Within a second my downloads is happened. Yes, so this is my downloads. I can open as a PowerPoint presentation. Yes, my presentation template is downloaded here. It is my easy and accessible and professional way of presentation model. Have you see, I want to show the PowerPoint slides model. So this is my model I have downloaded with a freeware. So it's an easy step. Use this option. I can able to make my own professional presentation. Yes, I can choose here, type here as a top 10 Indian foods. Yes, so once I type my text and font, everything will be added. It's look like a powerful presentation, professional way of presentation. Yes, for my next slides, so instruction for use, and you have two columns. You have the box over here, so you can choose and you can copy the content itself. So I have the content. Yes, this is my content. This is a first content. So I just select a first content, chicken butter chicken model. So I just select this title. I can paste it over here. So I just copy and paste. So once you copy and paste, automatically your font will be pasted over here. So you can give your instruction, you can give the image over here. Just select the box. Only one thing. So whatever content you have, you just select the content and copy the content. I just right click on that and paste the content. You want to paste use a bold and italic model or any model. You can choose and paste the content. If my content is too large, I want to reduce the size, I want to edit this option, I don't want this box or I don't want this box, I just delete the box. I can copy and paste it over here. Yes, my content overall pasted over here. I can reduce a font style and font size. So it is huge and different style I has. Yes, my presentation text is added here. I want to change the font style and font color, everything I can change according to my need. I can remove my bullets. So this is a text is ready. So butter chicken is a mouth-watering tender chicken and cooked in a special tomato sauce is there. Yes, so I want to put a related image in my right hand side corner. So I just select from the word. So I have already my article is here. So I can choose the article image. I can right click on copy the image and just go to your presentation, paste your image using Ctrl V option. Yes, so this is a model, this is a template, and this is a model. So professional way of your things, and you want to increase the font size, so you can increase the font size and you can increase the box also. So this is a easy step to make your presentation very professional way. So as you see, so this is my title page and this is my content page. Using this option, you can create a different kind of slides and animate the slides as well as, yes, if you want to introduce yourself, you can add your image, you can give your name and title, everything. Or you don't want the slides, you can delete the slides, and you want to add a traditional way of quotation or anything else. Food is best thoughts, and whatever thoughts you want, you can add. So the presentation slides has given the option. For example, you want to choose a same slide as a copy, means you can copy the slide, just right click on this, copy the overall slides, and just right click on this, paste the slide. So just paste the slide means same slides will be placed over here. So you can edit only the content. For example, my second content is samosa in Indian style. So I just copy, I just paste a title. Yes, so if you want to increase box, means that text will be under the box. Yeah, so I can select a model and I can copy the content, I can paste over here, as well as right click on that, I have pasted over here. I can reduce a font size and it will be readable with it, because 10 font size is a readable things. So I can choose according to my needs. I can delete this image, I can add a word file of image, copy the file, and I can paste over here. I can crop the image as well. For example, I want to reduce the font's image size, for example. So this is my image, this is what I want to crop this because I want a background image. Just select the image, automatically you have the crop option, format, you have the crop, just click the button, your image will be selected as a crop. You can select and top wherever you want, you can choose. So this is a professional way. I don't want this corner image, I just select and crop it over here. Yes, my professional style of presentation is ready with a different and decent style. While I'm presenting to my audience, they should see the presentation with a variety of content and variety of design and style. So while you are presenting to your audience, it should be interesting. So that is the main thing. So while you have different kind of presentation styles will be available, you can choose a style, whatever styles and whatever content or whatever chat box or whatever flowchart you want to use a diagram model, you want to have table content model, and you want to choose a map related, and how many of the likes your foods and what is your things, everything will be there in the template. Use the free template, you can make your presentation easy and accessible. So while you have the thanks message, you want to give thanks to everyone, you can choose. So professional way of presentation, make your presentation. You want to animate this images. Yes, just I select image. So this is a professional way. I just select animation. So this is a slide animation. This is a text animation. Add animation. You can choose, for example, fade model. Yes, so while my presentation is on, I want to choose, just select, automatically my image will be displayed over here. So this is an easy model. While you're creating different kind of presentation, simple way, you can choose according to your need, and you have the lot of symbols are available and text will be available. You can choose according to your symbols. For example, you want to make infographical method, you want to choose a symbol, and whatever symbol you have you can choose and you can make your own design. So this is an easy step. Use this option, you can create your professional way of presentation. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.